Well, we're picking up inputs of how a day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that the 3 farm laws will be repealed in the upcoming winter session of the Parliament, leaders of the SKM are set to meet at the Singhu border today. Now remember, several protesters have claimed that they will not end the protest just yet, and the Congress meanwhile is also planning to hold Kisan Vijay Divas rallies across the country today to celebrate the decision to revoke the farm laws. So yes, a lot of political reactions coming in with the Congress, that is to celebrate today on the decision made by Prime Minister yesterday. Parallelly, we are looking at how several farmer union groups are still not ready to move from the Delhi borders yet. As Sumi is joining us this morning and tracking all those developments for us, we take it to her to understand what's going on as far as the ground situation is concerned. Good morning to you, Sumi. We did hear Rakesh Tikait say yesterday that we will not move yet. We will wait for that decision in the winter session of the Parliament, as has been announced by the Prime Minister. So, in that sense, the farmer union leaders, when they go ahead with this kind of a decision, are saying that they do not trust the government yet.
A very good morning to you as well, Christine, and to all our viewers watching Republic Media Network this morning. In fact, yes, it is quite shocking. In fact, such a statement coming from Rakesh Tikait, who has been one of the faces and spearheaders of this entire agitation since the beginning of it, after the Delhi Chalo movement. In fact, he has said the statement, he has given the statement that they do not trust the central government just yet. They want the act to be taken back in the Parliament session, specifically in the winter session, which will begin this month. And after that, a decision will be made as to whether this agitation will end or not. And in fact, to decide on the further strategy and to chalk out the further course of action, they will certainly hold a meeting. The Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, which is the farmer body of more than 40 farmer unions, they will hold a very crucial meeting today at Singhu border. And after that, their official announcement will come on the same as to what are they deciding with the agitation. Because remember, let's not forget, if we have to throw numbers, when it comes to the losses that various sectors had to incur because of that, the Highway Authority of India had given out a figure as to how 1.8 crore the toll plazas is the number. 1.8 crore is the number the toll plazas incur losses on an everyday basis. And in fact, more than 800 crores will be the number till March 16, 2022. I mean, that is the massive amount of losses that the highways have already faced, the Highway Authority of India has already faced. And when it comes to the businesses, the economic activities, and the kind of economic activities that have taken a hit, more than 50,000 crores is the number that all the businesses have in fact incurred all this while. And remember, last year on November 25th only the Delhi Chalo movement began, and that is when from the states of Punjab and Haryana, the farmer agitation got out from the states of Punjab and Haryana, and they surrounded the national capital from all borders, be it from Singhu, Tikri and the Ghazipur border where I'm at today. And in fact, this is quite shocking that after Prime Minister Narendra Modi made this very crucial announcement yesterday on the occasion of Guru Purab, after that also the farmer unions are now thinking to not end this agitation. And in fact, they are going to not end this agitation till the act is taken back formally in the winter session. And also they want the MSP Assurance Act to be made. Before that, the agitation will certainly not end, and that is what is going to be made an official announcement on this evening after the crucial meeting by the SKM will take place.
Yes, because this was their one big demand, that the farm laws must be repealed at any cost. And even as the government has now announced that this will be happening in the upcoming winter session of the Parliament, Rakesh Tikait says that the farmers' protest will not end till the farm laws are repealed in the Parliament itself. So let's see how this plays out. For the moment, playing that reaction out as we thank you, Sumi.
बातचीत करेंगे ना, यहाँ से कैसे जाएंगे? कल बहुत से कानून हाउस में हैं, उनको फिर ये लागू करेंगे, उस पर हम बातचीत करना चाहते हैं। मीटिंग है संयुक्त किसान मोर्चे की, और जो भी उसमें डिसाइड होगा उसके बाद में हम ऑथेंटिक बयान उसके बाद में देंगे। वो शुरू हो जाएगी 11-12 बजे से। अभी मैं बातचीत करूँगा, मुझे जाना है या मैं यहीं रहूँगा।